What's up guys, Precise here. I will show you how to repair the flat tires. We have a heavy duty Tubeless tire repair kit. I will show you how to fix it without remove the tires. This is a front tire, so easy to fix. Less than 2-3 minute job. We need some screwdriver, some plier. The first step, we take out the nail straightly. So I use some screwdriver to remove the nail. How much possible to use taken straight is more better. Take them reamer, put them inside the hole and give a little bit pressure to put them inside. When you put them inside, we want to clean it the hole up and down like that. Same time we want to right now no air come in, so I take them right away quickly. Take the nail down. I put the plug inside. So I already used them too. This is the best tool we have to keep your car. I got the 5 coming. I already told you I used them too. Cut them. Take them one pieces out. The plug is super sticky, so just remove the plastics. Press on the front a little bit flat so you can put them easily inside. You want to put them only halfway, like the middle. I will show. It's super sticky, so put them like that half. Now we take out the reamer. And we put them quickly inside. It's a little bit hard to press them inside. You give the whole pressure, give them my whole body weight inside. I will show you a little bit better look. You can press them, give them like 2-3 times, like give your whole pressure to push like that. That's it. We are done of the 90% job. We want to pull right now. How much quickly? Fast. Okay, that's it. Now I just cut the star flag. Some of the people using the glue too, but I never use it. It's really good. I already used them many of the time. It's really working very good. The hair is full, look like very good. So I want to check the leak. So I take the soapy water to check the leak. So okay, no leak, nothing. If you have the leak, it's coming a lot of bubbles. So no bubbles, everything good. It's so easy, guys. Only like take them like 2-3 minutes. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more video coming soon, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Anything wrong, comment or something. Thank you guys. Bye.